Are you ready to take control of your fitness goals with delicious, high-protein, low-calorie meals? Whether you're looking to lose fat, build muscle, or simply fuel your body with the right nutrients, today I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing 3 easy meal prep ideas that will keep you satisfied and on track without breaking your calorie budget. Let's dive in. First on the menu is the grilled chicken and veggie power bowl, a classic meal that's easy to customize and perfect for meal prepping. Start with a base of quinoa or cauliflower rice. Your choice depending on your calorie and carb needs. Then add grilled chicken breast, seasoned with your favorite spices. I like using paprika, garlic powder, and a little salt for a simple yet flavorful kick. Toss in roasted broccoli for fiber and nutrients, and sprinkle a bit of feta cheese on top for an extra punch of flavor. To finish, drizzle some low-calorie balsamic glaze or squeeze fresh lemon juice for a tangy twist. Each serving of this power bowl packs over 35 grams of protein and stays under 400 calories, making it the perfect combination of nutrition and taste. Next, let's spice things up with turkey and zucchini protein patties. These patties are versatile, delicious, and ideal for meal prep. To make them, mix ground turkey with shredded zucchini, egg whites, and a blend of spices like cumin, garlic powder, and black pepper. Shape the mixture into patties and cook them in a pan or air fryer until golden brown. Pair these patties with roasted sweet potatoes and steamed green beans for a balanced, satisfying meal. Each patty contains around 20 grams of protein and is super low in calories. They're easy to store, reheat well, and can even be used as a quick protein snack during the day. For something sweet and refreshing, try a Greek yogurt berry parfait. This is perfect as breakfast, dessert, or even a midday snack. Start by layering non-fat Greek yogurt with a mix of fresh berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries work beautifully. Add a sprinkle of granola for crunch and a drizzle of honey or sugar-free syrup for sweetness. Each serving provides 15 to 20 grams of protein while keeping the calories low. It's light, satisfying, and a great way to curb cravings without derailing your progress. Here's a pro tip. Always prep your meals in batches and store them in airtight containers. This saves you time during the week and ensures you always have healthy options ready when hunger strikes. Consistency is key when it comes to achieving your fitness goals, and meal prep helps you stay on track. If you're excited to try these recipes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more meal prep ideas and fitness hacks. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which recipe you're going to try first. Or share your favorite high-protein meal prep recipe. I might feature it in a future video. Remember, meal prep doesn't have to be boring or complicated. It's all about fueling your body for success. Let's crush this week together, one meal at a time.